Let's run down some of the items that I have picked up over the last few months. Let's get started. So the first item that I wanted to discuss are these pair of Chanel Mules that I picked up last week or the week before last. I have to say, I had no plans of purchasing anything from Chanel. A funny story about these is that a subscriber, IG friend, actually direct messaged me on these shoes a month ago or a month and a half ago. She is Ash_fit. She was really sweet, and I guess she saw she sent me the pink version of these, and I just thought, oh my god, she like knows me 100% well. I really appreciated the fact that she saw these and thought of me, and it was one of those things that kind of entered my subconscious, and I just kind of moved on from the direct message, and I didn't really think that it was something that I was going to add, if I'm honest. I was trying to get to sleep, and I just all of a sudden this shoe just came back into my mind, and I was like, I really should get those. I really thought that the other reason why she had sent them to me is because everyone must be tired of seeing me in my Gucci like slides, and I just thought that is so hilarious. And this is totally the kind of shoe that I'm really loving right now. Really easy to slip in and out. That is the main rule currently when it comes to adding any kind of shoe into my life, because I need things that are super easy, and these are that. I ordered these from Neiman Marcus. I was very specific about what I asked for. I said I wanted these in 39C, and I was sent just 39B, which was kind of annoying. Thankfully, these are leather and they fit perfectly. I still would love 39C, but I can't really complain about the size. What I want to say about these, because they may still be available, I saw them at the Saks in Beverly Hills in beige, and I think a crew. You guys, these are so comfortable. They are really heavy, but they're still really comfortable. I feel like it's shocking to me that Chanel doesn't make all of their shoes as comfortable as these are. These are very padded, which is what makes them very comfortable. They also have this liner right here, so you're not slipping out of the shoe. So good. Why does Chanel not do this with all of their shoes? And then even the sole, this part, I'm not sure if you could see, I have worn them several times already. They already have like a rubber heel, and then this part over here is leather, and then again this part over here is rubber. I have gone ahead and put that sole protectant thing, but I love these. They have that really beautiful CC that you could still see there, even with the thing that I put on them is transparent, which is why you can still see it, and they have the quilting there. So comfortable, you guys. I'm obsessed with these. Now, usually a shoe like this can be very homey. I'm not sure if you know what that means or what I mean by it, but where they're not very like upscale looking. It just looks like a shoe that you would walk around at home in. And yes, but because it has that just small heel right here, it takes them up like several notches where they don't look like homey shoes. That's the only way that I can explain it. That they're so comfortable, and they do clack, which is something that I saw someone say because I haven't seen anyone like unboxing these. I think there's like one unboxing or two unboxings that I've seen on these, but somebody said in their IG post that these clack, and they 100% do clack. I love shoes that clack. I'm sorry. They used to make me feel embarrassed, but they make me feel like powerful now. I don't know why, but I just love the sound that these shoes make. I absolutely love it. I'm crazy about these. So if I know that there's another shoe that's really popular right now with the CC logo and stuff, but for me this is more realistic for everyday wear, for running errands, for living my life the way that I do. I love these, and there isn't a feeling of being off balance with these. So I feel like my spring sandal shoe game is really strong. I love these. I really was considering them in the beige. I have my beige Chanel sandals, and those have, there's no damage to it, no color transfer to it, but the beige of those seem a little bit different. I'm still back and forth. I'm not ruling them out, but I do like how the black look on my foot. So yeah, this is item number 1. Really, really love these. The next item is from Fashion File, you guys. And if you didn't watch my Fashion File video, that's why I'm including it on here. I did pick up another one of the Diamond by the Yard rings. I got this at such an amazing deal, less than half of retail. I'm completely obsessed with this. I had mentioned that I wished I would have picked it up in a pinky size, but I wouldn't want to pay full price for this for a pinky size. So finding it at Fashion File was epic. I'm completely obsessed, and it looked brand new, literally brand new. I could sell it now and it would still look brand new, just because these, I don't feel that they get a lot of wear, meaning like wear markings, but they get a ton of wear. And I'm just crazy about this one. I'm so thrilled that I was able to pick this up for such an epic price. Again, if you missed my Fashion File video, this is another item that I picked up from Fashion File. This one was even better condition. Had the box, had the bag, and I had mentioned this on a wish list before, but not this version of it. This is the diamond version of the ring that I had on my wish list. And again, I bought this for such an amazing price, and I'm so thrilled with it, you guys. It's so beautiful. I absolutely love it. The diamond quality is insane, and love this. So now I have 2 pinky rings. I'm pretty much done with the pinky ring at this point. Moving on. The next item that I picked up was another pair of my Rag and Bone jeans in this black color. I love these jeans. They're still my absolute favorite like jeans in my collection. They're so comfortable, and they are on sale. I shared that in my community page, you guys. They are about half off, which is amazing. I want to say I paid very close to retail the last time, so I'm like super thrilled that I was able to buy these on a sale. So good, you guys. I will go ahead and link them down below for you guys because these are so good. I promise you guys, you'll never want to get out of these ever again in your life. And they're on sale in 2 places. Hopefully they still are when I put this video up. One of them, they're a little bit more expensive. They're still on sale, and they have a variety of colors. So love these so much. Lastly, from Cartier, I purchased my Justin Clue ring back. Now, I have every intention of discussing why I selected this version. This is the small version of it, and I'm going to be very clear right off the bat. This was not a price purchase at all, but I will be filming a video. I would love to film it like right after, but I'm actually running late, so we're going to cut this video really short. But I am thrilled to have this ring back in my collection. I would have never in 1,000 years would have guessed that I would have ever bought this version of the ring, but I will discuss all of the reasons why I did and discuss a comparison between the regular and this one in an upcoming video, so watch out for that. That is it for my haul today, you guys. Let me know if you're surprised about my Justin Clue decision in the comment section down below. I really appreciate your time, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.